Off-road truck guys, light bar guys, pay attention. Twisted Pro is in the house, and they have got a new interpretation on the whole light bar thing. Now, what makes you different, Sean?
We are a 100% veteran company. We do specialize in forward projection LED lighting, but we really wanted to focus on the new age. The new age now is RGB. They love color. Although all of our lights are pure white, which is fantastic, but because everybody's looking to go into that color, we decided to come out with a few new products, and that's what we have over here.
All right, show us. Now, the rock lights. What is the whole point of rock lights?
The purpose of rock lights, typically for Jeep guys, the competition guys, essentially is to light up the ground as they're going up certain mountains and off-road obstacles and so forth. But in this industry, it's really to show off your suspension. People want to have custom suspensions, custom wheels, everything like that. They want to have a full-on color show with their vehicle. And in this case, we give them that ability. What's crazy about the different rock lights is that there's so many rock lights that just allow the light to go all over the place. But our newest and latest rock lights have concentrated lenses. The concentrated lenses take all of the light, they push it forward and out, which is beneficial to all of the lifted trucks. Because a lot of the vehicles are up so high, regular rock lights, they're going everywhere. It's not able to hit and reach the suspension. In this case, with the concentrated lenses, it pushes out, hits the suspension, and gives them the brightness that they're looking for, whatever color they're trying to work with.
So you've got the color for personalization, but you also can light up all the hard work you did.
Absolutely.
Regardless how high you are, like this truck in the background here, this thing is huge. That is very cool. Now, what about this Pro Pod color? You mentioned color. Color is hot. Everybody wants their own personalized color, and it seems like you've got a cool little unit here.
Absolutely. The Pro Pod color utilizes RGB technology. However, it's what we call pure RGB. The difference is regular RGB, when somebody wants yellow, orange, purple, pink, unfortunately the RGB kind of shows. You see a little red, the blue, and the green in the color, not giving you a pure color. In this case, with the pure RGB, you do get that. You get the orange, you get the yellow, you get the light blue, and the pink, which is really cool because a lot of people want to have a color theme to their vehicle. RGB lights typically can't give you a specific color if your color theme is pink or purple or orange and so forth. This gives you that option.
Now, what about if I wanted to put them on my UTV and use it as a brake light, a turn signal? Is that possible?
It is very possible. What's cool about the Pro Pod color is if you place it on red, there are 3 separate wires behind the light. You have a ground wire, obviously. You have a driving wire for the driving light. And then you have a back wire. The back wire is for the backlight. That wire allows for you to tap it into your brake lights, turn signals, or anything along those lines. By doing so, it turns these universal lights into additional tail lights.
And just like that, so you can use it for customization, you can use it for utility, and it looks very cool. Like the overall presentation is awesome.
Correct. By doing it in the rear every time you hit the brakes come on. Same thing for yellow. By placing it, this is just the controller for setting. You're setting the color. You put the setting when it's strobing yellow, you take that backlight wire, tap it straight into your turn signal wire, and you're good to go.
That's your turn signal.
Absolutely.
Just like that. So the rock lights and obviously this Pro Pod color enable you to have your color theme on your truck or your UTV in addition to light out in the desert. So you got the total package.
Absolutely.
That is awesome. I think you guys have done it. Now, what about how long do they last and how much light are they putting out compared to some of the others?
Sure. They range anywhere between 50,000 hours to 100,000 hours, depending on what wattage the lights are. Certain LEDs we utilize for different types of products, but it's still almost about a lifetime if you think about it. They still have fantastic warranty. They have the brightness can range anywhere from 36 watt all the way up to 288 watt.
You said you're a veteran-owned company. I can tell by your presentation.
Absolutely. We are a 100% veteran company. Every single person that works for Twisted Pro is a veteran.
Thanks, Sean. I absolutely love it. If you love it too, check out their website or find them on Instagram. That's going to do it for Performance TV this week. If you've got a cool product that you'd like to see featured, email Jeff at masterstv.com. We'll see you next week on Performance TV.